Anybody else getting off this side?
Yeah, I am.
Oh,
off the street.
For you? Okay.
Somewhere there. I always got to figure it out when it comes to the morning. Right here.
It's nice talking to you, Jose.
Nice talking to you. Appreciate it.
You're okay if you end up online somewhere, yeah?
I'm okay.
You're okay with that?
As long as it's not another woman in there, my wife will find it. What are you doing next to that girl?
Is this yours right here?
Oh, yeah, my shirt.
Okay. Have a good day. Stay safe. Okay.